Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can achieve these pocket designs. So sit back and watch this video till the end. Do not miss any part of this video because all parts are important, and I'm going to share the secret on how you can achieve this pocket design. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please click on subscribe and don't forget to click on like and drop your comment at the comment section. It helps me to do more and know about my improvement. And do not forget to share this video with your friends on your social media accounts, on all your social media accounts. The more you share, it helps others to view it and learn also from it without struggling to attain this pocket pattern. Without further ado, let's go straight to our cutting. All right, here is the stay that we use for our pocket. All right, all we just need to do, I've cut the middle part down. I'll show you the dimension of it, or the measurement of it. Here is 2 inch. Here is 1.5 inch. Here is 1/4. Okay, 1/4. Do not forget 1/4. Here it's same. Okay, so do not forget the left and the right side are the same. The down is 2 and the upper part is 1.5 inch. So place it on your fabric. This is the main background of the pocket that you want to use, so just iron it. Okay, iron it. When I'm through, I'll show you. As you can see, I've gone ahead to iron it, and I've also fold my pocket part. Okay, the upper part of my pocket, it's folded already. All right, you can use stay to gum it if you like. Then fold it into to make sure they are equal. Okay, make sure they are equal. All right, and just cut. Please leave 1/2 inch as seen in the video. Just follow the way I did it in the video and you get it right. All right, go ahead and notch the diagonal, okay, of that pocket close to the gum stay. All right, please make sure it's close to the gum stay. Do it to the 4 parts. And please fold this way. Right, take up your iron and iron it. Okay, iron the part, just fold it the way it is here on the screen and place an iron on it. Make sure you iron it and follow every detail that you see in this video. Go ahead and trim that part to half. It should be half. Okay, after trimming it, you fold with 1/2 inch. Okay, you fold, and if you choose to apply gum stay, apply gum stay. Now I'm through with my folding. Using pressing iron. As you can see, I use hemming gum to gum it, to glue it to the fabric and the gum stay. Okay, so this is the middle part. The middle part is black, and so you're going to cut 1/2 inch increase. Okay, this is the middle part that I cut away from that gum stay, as you can see in the video. And so each side of it is an allowance of 1/2 inch. Each side 1/2 inch. And so iron it to the gum stay. All right, now this is the middle part. If you go back to the pocket pattern that I showed you, you see that the middle part of it is having a design. So this is the design we're looking at. It is 2 inch. Okay, 2 inch by 18.5. 2 inch by 18.5. It depends on you. All right, you can make it smaller, you can make it more than 2 inch, you can make it less than 2 inch, but I prefer 2 inch for tutorial sake. Go ahead and fold each part half of an inch. Each part fold half of an inch to make it one on both sides. Half of an inch, half of an inch. So after folding you get one, or you can decide to make it 3/4. Okay, that at the end you want to make that design 3/4. Let's go ahead and place your iron on it. Please do not forget to put hemming gum in between to make it stay, okay, to glue the fabric together. Don't forget, you can achieve 3/4. It depends on you. You are the designer. All right, so go ahead. As you can see, I'm through gumming this. If this video have been of help to you, please so far smash the like button and share this post. Drop a comment at the comment section. As you can see, we have 3/4 of an inch there for the width of that design. And so go ahead and fold. Please fold the way you see on the screen and follow the dimension. All right, go ahead and reproduce the first one you did. Reproduce such, okay? Fold on both sides just the way you did the first. Please repeat the second thus. All right, you've seen I've ironed it, and so both designs I've ironed it, and all I just need to do is the width side of the pocket. I'm looking for the middle part, and so I'll fold to get the middle part. Okay, do not forget the middle part you iron there. Right, make use of your iron to iron it. We just want to get the middle part so that both design can touch each other at the middle part. So please take it to iron and iron it. Go ahead and open it, and all you just need to do, turn it around and place the design you've done. Let it fall on the middle part, please. Don't forget the middle part is what we're interested in, and the other parts to be on the middle part. Please, if this thing is confusing to you, go over the video again and again and you will understand the processes. If this video have been of help to you, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel if this is your first time, and don't forget to share our post. Now place the black design, okay, that's seen. Place it this way. You can use your hem stay to gum there. Place hem stay there on all sides to make it stay. All right, once I'm through with that, I'll display it for you to see. Oh, as you can see, I've ironed it, okay, and it's looking neat and beautiful. Please do not forget, as a fashion design, you need your iron. Anywhere you sew, anywhere you work on, place your iron. Okay, at the center part, go ahead and sew a button to it to give it a beautiful and unique design. If this video have been of help to you, please don't forget to click on like, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are first timer, and share this link on your social media account. Drop your comment at the comment section. Are there ways I need to improve? Please, I need your comment. Drop the comment at the comment section. It helps YouTube to show this post to others as well that do not have idea on how to achieve this pocket design. All right, thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video. Bye.